As a parent, there are multiple ways you can join Bloomz. You will need a class access code or an email invite from your teacher. To join Bloomz, download the Bloomz app from the App Store/Play Store. If you do not have a mobile phone, navigate to www.bloomz.com on your web browser, then select Create Account. After that, select Join an existing class. If you received an access code from the teacher, you will be required to type it in. Access codes may look like this, or this. An invitation code will come through an email. Place this invitation code in the login page, or just click the join button in the email. After typing in your class or invitation code, or clicking join, you will be asked to create an account with your name, email, and password. If you were invited through a phone number, you will receive a text message. After clicking on the link, you will need to type in your temporary password to sign into your account and enter the necessary information. If you would like to continue to receive text notifications from your child's class, reply Yes, Bloomz. After setting up your account, you'll be requested to join the class you were invited to. Here you can select your child in the list. If your child isn't added, you can easily add them now by clicking Add Your Child. If your teacher has already associated you with your child, just click Join Class. If you want to join another class, don't worry. You don't have to go through the account creation process again. If you were given an access code, please click on the plus class/group. Click on Join an existing class/group. And once again, type in an access code you received. An invite code will not work here. If you were invited to the class with your Bloomz login email, you will see a notification on the bell icon. Please click on the bell. If you already have a Bloomz account and you don't see the notification at the top right, make sure that your class admin sent the invite to your Bloomz login email. Please accept the invitation and select your child to join the class.